Gentiles, it was believed, did not have the same rights in Jewish courts as Jews. If a Gentile sued an Israelite, the verdict often favored the Israelite, but the reverse was not true. Such biases are clear in the Talmud's text, and those who revealed these perspectives to Gentiles were met with severe consequences, even death. The Talmud's relationship with Jesus is particularly antagonistic. It criticizes him in various ways, even making defamatory claims about his mother Mary. According to the Talmud's teachings, Jesus is depicted as an enemy of Judaism, subjected to 4 gruesome deaths. In fact, the Talmud suggests that Jesus now resides in hell, enduring severe punishment. Nevertheless, it quotes Jesus as advising followers to bless the Jews and support their well-being. Christianity, as seen through the lens of the Talmud, is not spared from its criticism. Observing the Sabbath as a Gentile is considered a capital offense. The Talmudic perspective may have particular